Have you ever wondered how electricity is produced when there is no power supply? When the lights go out and suddenly a generator comes on, where does that electricity come from? In this video, we will clearly explain what a generator is, its main parts, and how a generator produces electricity step by step in very simple terms. What is a generator? A generator is a machine that produces electricity by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. In simple words, a generator does not create electricity from nothing. Instead, it changes motion into electrical power. Generators are commonly used in homes, hospitals, industries, and construction sites, especially during power outages. Main parts of a generator. To understand how a generator works, you need to know its main parts. Number 1. Engine. The engine provides the mechanical power. It usually runs on fuel such as petrol, diesel, or gas. Number 2. Alternator. This is the part that actually produces electricity. It contains coils of wire and magnets. Fuel system. This supplies fuel to the engine so it can keep running. Number 3. Voltage regulator. This controls the voltage to make sure the electricity is stable and safe. Number 4. Cooling and exhaust system. These prevent the generator from overheating and remove waste gases. Number 5. Control panel. This allows the user to start, stop, and monitor the generator. How a generator works. Step 1. Fuel powers the engine. When you start the generator, fuel enters the engine. The fuel burns inside the engine, creating energy. This energy causes the engine shaft to rotate. Step 2. Mechanical energy is produced. As the engine runs, it produces mechanical energy, which is simply motion or rotation. This rotating motion is transferred directly to the alternator. Step 3. Magnetic field is created. Inside the alternator, there are magnets and coils of wire. When the engine rotates the magnets, a magnetic field moves around the coils. Step 4. Electricity is generated. According to the principle of electromagnetic induction, when a magnetic field moves through a coil of wire, electric current is produced. This is the most important principle behind how a generator works. Step 5. Voltage is regulated. The electricity produced goes through the voltage regulator. The regulator ensures the voltage is not too high or too low, making it safe for appliances. Step 6. Electricity is supplied to loads. Finally, the generated electricity flows to connected devices such as lights, fans, TVs, and machines. As long as the engine keeps running, the generator continues producing electricity. Types of generators. 1. Portable generators, small and easy to move. 2. Standby generators, automatically start during power failure. 3. Inverter generators, produce clean and stable power for electronics. Advantages of a generator. 1. It provides electricity during power outages. 2. It is useful in remote areas. 3. It supports critical equipment in hospitals and industries. In conclusion, a generator works by converting fuel energy into mechanical motion, and then converting that motion into electrical energy using magnets and coils. Understanding how a generator works helps us use it safely and efficiently.
Please do well to subscribe to Benedict Godswill TV for more. See you around. Bye.